Good morning to all. I am Prof.Manavalam. Now we are going to see about the introduction to leadership. Leadership, it is nothing. It is an inborn quality of every individual. Every individual or group of person, they must have the quality of leadership in there. So especially while they are working in any type of organization, some of the person, they must take a leading role in order to control and govern the team to achieve the objectives or goal whatever set by the organization. Every society or organization, the leadership is very essential one. It's required for smooth functioning of the organization and for its growth. Definition. Leadership, it is defined as the action or act of guidance of leading a group of people or an organization. Yes, the leaders, they used to do certain kinds of activity, or they guide the people, those who are under them, in order to meet the goals of organization. Second one, the leadership means it is the ability to inspire, at the same time guide and influence the team members towards the accomplishment of common goals. Next, what are the competencies as a leader they must possess? First, they must have the ability to diagnose or understanding the situation where they have to use their power to influence their subordinates. That ability is very much essential. And also they make the team members to adapt the situation where they are working, make them to change their behavior according to the situation and utilize the other resources in order to achieve what they want to achieve. So for this, they have to, as a leader, they have to influence their group members to adapt the situation, allow them to change their behavior and make utilization of the resources which is available in the organization. Through that, they can achieve. And communication, it is a basic element of any type of organization. So as a leader, not only they are controlling their subordinates, they always have a good communication skill. They have always transfer the information what they want from the subordinates. That information they always communicate. So it is very essential to attain the goal of organization. Next, move on to the importance of leadership. So first one is to determining of the goal, the leadership is very essential. So every organization, they are having their own purpose, objectives and goals they used to set. But without any guidance of leadership, it is not possible to achieve or formulating this goal. So the leadership is very much essential to determine what type of goal they can set and how they can achieve that goal. For this purpose, the leadership is very much essential. Next, organization of activities. Determination of goal is not enough. So in order to achieve that goal, they have to prepare a team of members and they have to give training to the team of members. Then they have to plan activities among the members and they divide activities among the members and they have to organize what kind of activity each member has to do in a team. That organization is very much essential to achieve the objectives. Next, achieving the coordination. The team members always they have to work together, then only it is easy for achieving the objectives. As a leader, their role, they have to make a coordination between the team members. If anyone is having any conflict between them, means leader use their skill to resolve the conflicts, make them to work together to achieve the objectives. Next, they must act as a representative for a worker. If the workers are having any issues or any demands, means they have to act as a representative persons of workers. They always provide guidance whenever the employee or subordinate they need to do to do their task or to complete their task. So adequate guidance must be provided by the leaders. They always inspire the employee through their knowledge as well as skill and the way they are leading the team. Through that they have to always inspire. Then only the employees in the sense the subordinate, they will influenced by the leaders and they will follow the words of leader. Then building the employees morale, it is very essential part. Employee morale, how it means by providing the good working environment or creating the good working environment. Through that they can improve the morale of the employee. They will have the job satisfaction. Through the job satisfaction, the turnover it will get reduced and they will improve their productivity. So for this the leadership is very essential. Facilitating changes. So according to the changing trends and the changing environment, they have to encourage and adopt the changes and make the team members to adopt the changes, act according to that. Leadership, it should, in the role of the leadership or style of leadership, it will be changed according to the situation. Sometimes they want to be strict, means they can act as a autocratic. Sometimes they want to be a friendly method, they want to go and guide the employees, means they will go for democratic, like that. According to the situation where they have to do their task, based upon that situation they have to change their leadership style. All employees, they must be satisfied with the types of leadership provided by the management. That is very much essential. Next, move on to the functions of a leader. So again it is goal setter. They are the primary personnel in any organization. They are taking adequate steps to setting the goals to achieve. Planner, they have to prepare the plan of action to do by the team members. So the weekly plan, monthly plan, like that they have to prepare the schedule of activities for their subordinates. They have to execute means in the sense implement whatever action they plan. They are the personnel, they have to execute everything. Experts, they must they are expertise in all the areas mostly relevant to their particular field of interest. Their expertise is very much essential. Next, they have to act as a group representative. If they are their group members are facing any issues or they are having any demand, means they have to with the external environment, means they have to act as an external group representative. Surrogate for individual representative, in the sense inside the organization, if the subordinates are having any kind of problems or issue, means they act as a surrogate, as an individual representative. They have to speak for the issues of their own subordinates. They are the person, they are controlling the internal relationship between the employees as well as with the management. They are the controlling persons. They are the administrator for rewards as well as the punishment. Those who are performing well, they are ready to provide rewards to them. At the same time, those who are continuously making mistakes, they are not following the plan of action, means they are the person, the leader, they are the person, they are readily give the punishment to them in order to take a corrective action. So that's all about the introduction to leadership. Thank you all.